Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can redeem codes on Valorant. So if you want to redeem it on the website, you can. We can also redeem it on the game itself. So if it doesn't work like in the game, you can redeem it in the website. But to redeem the codes, these are the active codes. These are the expired ones. I'll put it in the description box down below, but I'm just going to copy this one, the 8 title, and then I'm just going to go up here to the paying method, the Valorant points section. Select prepaid cards and codes, paste it and press submit, and then hopefully it's there. If it's not, then you can go to the website. Let me see, collection. Oh my gosh, equip titles. Oh, it's here, 8. Okay, and that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!